This is Jimit Shah and welcome to the Jim's Automation. So today we'll see how you can take a backup of the PLC and you save that file on your desktop or on your USB, right? In our previous class we already understood that how you can download the program to the PLC. Now suppose this is my PLC. Okay, suppose it is anywhere connected to your machine or your in your lab or wherever it is. So you want to save this program, whatever the program is inside of this PLC. Okay, you want to save this program to your laptop. So what you need to do, you need to, of course you need to have a good communication. Okay, so this Ethernet cable is connected to my laptop. Okay, and I'm getting a ping reply which is 10.10.10.66. The IP address is already fixed in my PLC. Okay, so once you of course to take a backup also you will have to follow this process that we have already understood in our previous class, that with this PLC you have already added in RSLink. So now you can download the program, you can take the backup of the program. Okay, so you don't need to do anything again and again. Plus please make sure that your RSLinks is open all the time. You don't close this software, you just minimize the software, right? Now you open the RSLogix 500. This is our software. Okay, I'm opening this software and I want to take a backup of this PLC. Okay, I don't want to write something and download to PLC. So I'll go to communication. Whatever the program is stored in this PLC, I'll save this in my laptop. Okay, so I'll go to communication and system communication. Here I can see the IP address of my PLC which is connected to my laptop with the help of Ethernet cable. Then I have two options over here, download and upload. But as of now download is disabled because we have not processed for the download. So here upload option, you can click on upload, then click on create new file, right? So at the back end there is a program. Now it is asking you, do you want to go to online with your PLC or no? If you press on yes, okay, so you will go to the online with your PLC and you can modify your inputs and outputs and everything. You can modify your PLC online. And if you just want to save the program, you don't want to go online, then simply click on no. Now this is the program which we have already programmed previously in a PLC. So that same program is there, whatever the program is there. This is just for a understanding, for the training. Okay, so there must be an n number of rungs and everything, all these parameters will be there in the program. So this is basically, this is my program. Now you can normally save the file in your desktop and whatever, the same way you apply for the other files, right? So you go to file and click on save as. Okay, so wherever you want to keep, you just simply click on, suppose you want to keep on the desktop, keep on desktop and backup of my PLC and MicroLogix PLC. So I write ML 1400. Okay, so this is the backup of my MicroLogix 1400 PLC. Then click on save, right? So if I close this file now, so this is, can you see, the backup of my PLC is generated. This is the file. Okay, so you can take in your USB wherever you want. So this is your backup of your program. Suppose if you want to open that, then simply double click on it, so that program will be opened. Okay, so here open this, right? So this is my program. If you want a normal window, then go to previously where there's no toolbox and everything at the left side, right? So go to windows, go to arrange and then click on OK. Now this is a standard view, right? So this is how you can open the backup, right? So that's it for today. This is how you can take a backup of your PLC and you can save on your desktop or on your USB, right? That's it from Jim's Automation. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.